Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly use Hailuo AI or Minimax AI. These two websites actually one company. So in this video, I'm explaining you how to use totally. First, look this video. Those videos are really nice and attractive. So in this video I'm going to explain you how to create those type of video using this AI tool, and this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. So first I'm going on ChatGPT, then here I create a prompt to write a prompt. Then this ChatGPT are absolutely free for use. You can use any purpose. Then copy this prompt, then go to this tool, then just text to video, just paste here. Today I'm explaining you only text to video. I will create another video, image to video in the next part. So just paste on text to video here, then click on this icon. When you create, you got 30 credits every day, and it's already working or processing right now. And this video I'll create in last week, and if I playing this video, this is a really good and attractive video. And once you have done this processing, you need to click on just download button here. Then wow, you can see these videos are really attractive and I really like it. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.